Hello, this is my first video in a long time. I don't know if it's going to be an actual video or not. It might just be clips of a project. But the project is to adapt this pole sensor to a regular outside light. Most of the work will be done on this old Craftsman 12x58 lathe. I'm not going to be using any lubricant because it is cast and it has graphite. Very messy. This might be hard to do one-handed. And hand feed, no power feed. I might skip a lot of this and move on to after it's turned. Yeah, that might be too noisy. I believe I'm going to skip ahead and just show the assembly, putting copper rivets in and so forth. I should have done a video of restoring this old lathe. I believe it's from the 30s, 31 model. But like I said, I don't usually do videos. I used to game and do a lot of videos, but those days might be over. The shop is a mess. I just got back from vacation. And I usually make stuff from junk. That's going to be the assembly somewhat for the sensor to go in here. And I believe I'll just do some snapshots from here. It's too hard to hold the camera and drill and put rivets in. Well, I have some falling and reaming work to do on this before I get to the snaps. But this is a better way to hold pipe if you don't have a pipe vise. Okay, there's many fasteners, many types of hardware you can use. Brass rivets, copper rivets, flathead rivets, round rivets, hog pins, which these are for wood. As you drive them in, those ears expand and flare out. There's probably another name for them. Eyelets. There's even threaded inserts that you can put. And I could even thread it, but I'm just going to use regular pop rivets. Standard pop rivets, 1/8. The screws that I'm going to use to hold the sensor in are 9/64 by 32 TPI. Alright, maybe I'll do more video, but this is a simple way to make sure you're parallel. With your part. It's just a quick and easy, simple way with a 1-inch dowel. If you need to align the part more accurate than just eyeballing, you can use a runout gauge or a surface gauge, the same fashion. Okay, I've got it all assembled and wired. It's pretty simple to wire. All the neutrals go together. The main hot wire goes into the sensor, out of the sensor, into the lights. It's pretty simple. And the Remax connector can be put on the outside, which is just right here, and still be up to code. As long as you can tighten it, it's up to code. Okay, we're done. I know you want to see it work. See if we can trick it. It'll come on at dark. Work as it should. We are done with that one.